Okay, so good day to all of you. So I'm going to teach you in this video tutorial how to create a state transition diagram. So a state transition diagram, of course, by the description itself about the diagram, it shows different states. So before we're going to create our very own state transition diagram, you have to identify a context or a situation that has status. So for this example, so we'll be using marital status here in the Philippines. So by means of the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, so we have this five types or five marital statuses here. So first is we have single. So its definition, a person who has never been married. And then next is we have the married. Definition, a couple living together as husband and wife, legally or consensually. So by means of this definition, married couples can be considered if you have a marriage contract or certificate, or the couple decided to live together. So the term live in. And the next is we have the divorced, a person whose bond of matrimony has been dissolved legally and therefore can remarry. And then we have separated, a person separated legally or not from his or her spouse because of marital discord or misunderstanding. So the difference between separated and divorce is that separated, you're still legally married, but the couple decided that they will live apart because they need to solve their problems or misunderstanding. So while divorce, of course, it is said that bond of matrimony has been legally dissolved and the ex-couple can marry other persons. And then we have widowed, a person whose bond of matrimony has been dissolved by death of his or her spouse. So widowed also, the bond of matrimony has been dissolved, but it's not legally, but because his or her spouse died. So let's start our tutorial. So we have state transition. Okay, so we have state transition diagram. Okay, so let's start with, of course, let's start our state transition diagram. So we have, first is we have our first state, single. So single is, as the description, person is not married. Okay. So maybe you can ask, what about couples? Of course, they're still single because they're not yet married, though they are already a couple. And then next is we have, state is we have married. Okay, so we have married. So our definition of married is a person, a couple rather, living together as husband and wife, legally or consensually. So what will be our description? So from single going to married. So of course, married, its requirement, it should be a couple. So we have couple has marriage contract or has decided to live in. So that is our state if it is married. Okay, so we have still divorced, separated, widowed. So let's first illustrate the widowed. Okay, so we have widowed. Okay, so widowed, from married to widowed, what will happen? So, the spouse died. So, that's why the status of the person who's still living, being left by the spouse, is widowed. And then next is, the question is, can the widow or widower be married, can remarry? Of course, it can remarry. So, we can put an arrow back to married. So, we can put widow or widower has remarried. Okay. So, that is our status. Okay. Then, next is we have, okay, let's do first the separated. Okay, we have separated. Okay, for our separated status or state, so why will married couple become separated? Okay, so we have, of course, the characteristic of separated is couple lives apart. Couple lives apart due to marital discord or misunderstanding. Okay, so that is our separated. But, can the married couple who is legally separated, can they be again living again together? Actually, they can. So, of course, we have this. Okay, so we have this arrow. So, couple reconciles. Okay, so couple reconciles, then they go back to the married state. Okay, our last one is we have divorced. Okay, so let's put, okay, divorced here. Okay, divorced. Okay, divorced. So, can married couples be directly file for divorce? Actually, they can. So, what will happen for married state then divorced? Okay, for married state, okay, bond of matrimony has been dissolved. Legally. So that is divorced. And then can the divorcee can marry, of course. They can be married. So okay, so what we're going to do, okay, so let's have, okay, an arrow. Okay, so we have the divorcee has married. Okay. Okay, so let's move has married or has married again. So remarried, okay? So divorcee has married. So again, the divorcee is again in the state of married. Okay, then how about can married couple legally separated and they did not reconcile? Okay, they can go to divorced. So what is the for the divorce. Actually, there is a case, for example, you're married and then you are trial or legal separation, and then if you really cannot reconcile, then again you decided to be divorced. So we have, okay, what we're going to put is bond of matrimony has been dissolved legally. Okay, so let's check. So single, then married. Okay, so the end state here is the widowed. Okay, let's put again a circle and then put in. Okay, so that's the symbol for an end state. So this is already our state transition diagram for marital status as identified by Philippine Statistics Authority. So maybe someone will ask you, or someone going to ask, where's the annulled? Actually, I've asked an expert for this, and it can be considered as, here in the Philippines, as divorced. So, but of course, in other countries we have actually we don't have divorce, but the term here, it's this can also be used for the annulment. Okay. So again, if you have any questions, so feel free to comment, and then thank you very much. So I hope that you've learned something from this tutorial. So again, to create a state transition diagram, you have first to identify the context with states, and therefore you can already start creating your state transition diagram. So again, so please like my YouTube channel, and then I'll see you again to other video tutorials about anything, of course, because this video tutorials, I'm using this for my students that I've been teaching the systems analysis and design. So again, thank you very much and good day.